Cruising to Barbados. Get ready for turquoise waters, stunning beaches, and one of the easiest cruise ports in the Caribbean. But how do you make the most of your time here? Should you snorkel with turtles, explore hidden caves, or go on an epic island tour? Stick around, because I'm sharing the ultimate Barbados guide, plus some insider tips that could save you time and money. I have to say, if you're starting your P&O cruise in Barbados, this might be one of the smoothest embarkation experiences I've ever had. You drop your bags at the airport, and the next time you see them, outside your cabin door, no dragging suitcases through the terminal. And getting from the airport to the ship, no queues, no passport control delays. Just straight onto a bus and off to the cruise terminal. I honestly wish every embarkation was this easy. And the check-in at the cruise terminal is quick and well-organized, meaning less time waiting and more time enjoying. Once on board, take a moment to explore the ship, get settled into your cabin, and make the most of embarkation day before your cruise officially begins. If you arrive early, grab lunch at the buffet or relax on deck with your first Caribbean views. If you cruise ship docks here for the day, it is still an easy cruise port to navigate. As your ship pulls into Bridgetown Barbados Cruise Port, you'll be greeted by a long pier stretching out to the island. Some ships dock closer, but if you're further away, don't worry, there are free shuttles to take you to the terminal. Once inside the cruise terminal, you'll find duty-free shopping, souvenir stalls, and, importantly, free Wi-Fi. Also, they have red and green dots on the floor to direct you to where you want to go. Now, if you're wondering how to make the most of your time in Barbados, let's start with the number one thing most cruisers come here for: the beaches. And trust me, there's one spot that stands out above the rest. If you are looking for the best way to spend your day in Barbados, I recommend heading straight to Carlisle Bay. The bay is famous for its calm, shallow waters, making it an ideal location for both relaxing on the beach and snorkeling with sea turtles. The best part? Turtles often swim right up to the shore, so even if you are not a strong swimmer, you still have a great chance of seeing them up close. If you want a guaranteed turtle experience, several local companies offer snorkeling tours, taking you out to the deeper parts of Carlisle Bay, where turtles and tropical fish gather around the shipwrecks. If you are visiting Carlisle Bay, you will likely choose between two of the most popular beach clubs, the Boatyard and Harbour Lights. Both offer beach chairs, umbrellas, and bar service, but they have key differences. The Boatyard costs $35 per person, includes a free welcome drink, features a water trampoline, rope swings, and a floating dock. Offers a free shuttle back to the cruise terminal, includes a boat trip to a turtle snorkeling site. Harbour Lights costs $25 per person. Includes a sun lounger and an umbrella, located on a quieter part of Carlisle Bay. No included shuttle, but taxis are available. If you want a more lively, active atmosphere, the Boatyard is the best choice. However, if you prefer a more relaxed beach day with fewer crowds, Harbour Lights may be a better option. How to get there? Taxi from the cruise port costs around $5 to $10 per person and takes about 10 minutes. Or you can walk there and see some of Bridgetown on the way. It takes around 25 to 30 minutes to walk from the cruise port. Once you've had your fill of sun and sea, it's time to discover another side of Barbados. From mouth-watering local food to hidden caves and rum tastings you won't want to miss. Oistins Fish Fry, a must-do Friday night experience. If your cruise stays overnight in Barbados, Oistins Fish Fry is an experience you cannot miss. This outdoor seafood festival takes place every Friday night and is one of the best ways to experience local Bajan culture. You will find dozens of food stalls serving grilled mahi-mahi, flying fish, shrimp and lobster. Along with the amazing food, there is live music, dancing and a great social atmosphere. To get to Oistins, you can take a $20 taxi ride each way, or for a cheaper option, take a local bus for $2 per person. You can also book a shore excursion with companies like Caribbean Island Tours and Caribbean Cruise Excursions. Save they benefit. I've had good experiences with both companies and are cheaper than your ship shore excursions. Another must-visit is Harrison's Cave, a fascinating underground cave system filled with stalactites, stalagmites, and underground streams. The best way to explore the cave is by tram, which takes you through the tunnels while a guide explains the geological history of the island. As you journey deeper into the cave, you'll pass by flowing waterfalls, crystal clear pools, and towering rock formations that have been forming for thousands of years. Whether you choose the tram ride or the more adventurous trek, Harrison's Cave offers a spectacular glimpse into the natural history of Barbados. Exploring historic Bridgetown. If you love history, Bridgetown is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and the bustling capital of Barbados. Walking through its streets is like stepping back in time, with its colonial-era architecture, historic landmarks and vibrant market scenes. Start at Independence Square, where you can see the statue of Errol Barrow, the first Prime Minister of Barbados who led the country to independence in 1966. Nearby, Chamberlain Bridge is a picturesque spot, offering stunning views of the city's waterfront. Crossing the bridge takes you to National Heroes Square, where you'll find the Parliament buildings, some of the oldest in the Caribbean, built in the 1870s. The Gothic-style structures are home to the government and a museum showcasing Barbados's rich political history. Broad Street is the main shopping area, where you'll find duty-free shops selling jewellery, watches, and designer brands, as well as local Bajan crafts. Rum tasting. You can't visit the Caribbean without tasting some rum. And Barbados is the birthplace of rum, and a tour of the Mount Gay Rum Distillery is a must for rum lovers. This legendary distillery, established in 1703, is known as the oldest rum producer in the world. A visit here will take you through the entire rum-making process, from fermentation and distillation to aging in oak barrels. The highlight of the tour is, of course, the tasting session, where you'll get to sample different varieties of their world-famous rum. If you want to see more than just the beaches, a scenic island tour is a fantastic way to explore the island's rugged east coast. Many tours include stops at Basthseba, a dramatic coastline famous for its towering waves and unique rock formations. This is a hotspot for surfers, and even if you're not riding the waves, the views alone make it worth a visit. Another highlight is the Animal Flower Cave, a stunning sea cave located at the northernmost tip of the island. Inside the cave, you'll find natural rock pools, breathtaking ocean views, and sea anemones that give the cave its name. Along the way, you'll drive through charming villages, lush landscapes, and some of the island's most scenic viewpoints. If you want a deeper appreciation of Barbados beyond its famous beaches, an island tour is the way to go. For something truly special, book a Catamaran Cruise that sails along the west coast of Barbados. These cruises typically include multiple snorkeling stops at Carlisle Bay shipwrecks, where you can see colourful marine life and, if you're lucky, swim alongside sea turtles. The best part? Most catamaran tours offer an open bar and a delicious onboard lunch. As you sail along the coastline, you'll pass luxurious beachfront villas, hidden coves, and stunning coral reefs. Whether you choose a half-day or full-day cruise, it's one of the most relaxing and picturesque ways to explore Barbados. As a solo cruiser, I found Barbados to be one of the easiest and most enjoyable ports to explore on my own. From the moment I stepped off the ship, I felt completely at ease navigating the island, thanks to the friendly locals and the well-organised transport options. Barbados is just the beginning. But which Caribbean shore excursions are worth your time and money? And which ones aren't? Some of them might surprise you. Click here to find out. And I'll see you in the next adventure.